What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button immediately. Like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. My name is Mark Days, and you followed on all platforms at The Real Mark Days. So let's get into this. As you can see behind me, that way, got a couple of iPhone 17 Pro Maxes. We will be unboxing one of those, as promised. If I got my hands on any, we will unbox one. So we're gonna go ahead and do that soon. We do have an extra friend, a sealed iPhone Air. Now, if you're watching this, then you've already seen the iPhone Air unboxing I've done, and you've seen my review labeled why I returned it. Well, we'll get into that in a separate video as to why it's made a reappearance. But other than that, we're gonna get into this unboxing 17 Pro Max. I'll keep it short and sweet. We won't be here all day unboxing it. There's not much to see. You've probably seen a million videos on it already, but I appreciate you spending time with me while I unbox this device. So let's get into it right now. Peace be unto you and God bless. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at this again. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Mark Days. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff right out of the way, please. Listen, today we are unboxing the big boy, the 17 Pro Max. I had to search high and low to get these. Picked up a couple more goodies, as y'all saw in the intro. We'll get into why this is back, and you know, got an extra. Okay, not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. Not sure what I'm doing with this just yet. I don't know. Might keep it to replace my 16 Pro Max, might not. I have no clue. Not sure. What I do know is this one's going to my wife, so I don't have a choice but to keep it. All right, all right. So let's get into this right now. Unboxing the 17 Pro Max. I will not be before y'all long. We're not gonna sit here and talk all day about it. Let's get right into it right away. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these tabs and get right in here, and let's see the beauty of this phone. I had the great pleasure of seeing this phone in the store ahead of time, so I already knew what it's like in the hands and all that good stuff. It's a really nice device. So 17 Pro Max, tissue, 512 gigabytes. They had no 256s in storage available, rather 256 storage available. Had to get up on the 512 and cop up on that. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get into this. See what we got. You already know what the unboxing experience is going to be. Man, that's a really nice orange, man. Really nice. There it is. Very different from the box though. The box and the actual orange, very different. It looks way more metallic, is the way I could describe it. Way more metallic. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just reminded me too, I gotta cash out my Amazon cart, because I got my wife's case, screen protectors and all that stuff for this ready to go. So we're literally just gonna unbox this. I'm gonna turn the phone on, we can take a look at it, and that's it. I'm not gonna set it up or do any of that extra stuff, but look how gorgeous. I'm not mad at that orange. I'm not upset at the orange at all. You already know what comes in the box. Paperwork that no one reads. We're not even going to take that out of the box. You get no stickers. You get, well, I will take it out just so y'all know there's nothing else in there, but y'all have probably seen every unboxing on the planet at this point. Nothing in there. Cable, USB-C to USB-C. So I'm going to go ahead and box the box back up. And wow. Now this orange down here is extremely bright and cherry and beautiful. I do wonder But you know, Apple is notorious for the colors it differs. There's a great differentiation between what's on the box and what comes out of the box. But overall, it looks very nice, man. It's very nice. I believe it's anodized aluminum, I believe they call it, and it's nice. Good specs on here, man. Great cameras. You know, you can watch another video if you want to nerd out about the specs, but beautiful ProMotion screen, the whole nine. This is the big boy right here. This is the one you don't want to play with right here. This is the one, if you're a content creator, if you're someone who takes a lot of videos, you take a lot of photos, this is the one you want right here. This baby right here though, stay tuned for why this made a return. Stay tuned for that. And it's not going away ever again. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and fill this up. Look at that, that's nice. Look at the side rails. Let's check out the rails real quick. Check out the side rails real fast. Let me focus in on that real quick if I can. Get this thing focused. There we go. Beautiful rails. And that, I'm knocking my camera around. And that beautiful aluminum. It's very, very gorgeous. Look at that. Guys, let me know if I can improve anything in this video too. If I can improve the audio or the lighting or the camera or anything like that. I'm shooting off of my 16 Pro Max. The next videos, if I decide to keep the 17 Pro Max that you see here, the next video should be greatly improved just off the camera alone. But wow. Beautiful. All right. There you go. Let's let that turn on real quick. I'll put it right there. I don't even want to risk damaging the cameras by setting it directly on my desk here. I don't trust that at all. Always save the paper. You know what I'm saying? And when it's time to resell in a year, you know, bought these outright from Apple, so don't have to worry about any contracts or anything silly like that. And then I'll just unpeel the paper. I don't know what that is that fell up in there. It sounds like the charger came loose in there. Yeah, somehow that's weird and strange, and the paperwork, very strange. But anyway. Get that back in there, and this probably won't get opened up until a year from now when it's time to sell it to someone who's looking to upgrade when the 18 series comes out, and someone who wants the 17 series. This was the most highly coveted color. These things sell out almost instantaneously. Every time the Apple store near me got a new shipment of this color, it was gone within minutes. Gone. So got my hands on it, and there it is. I gotta transfer all my wife's stuff in here, so we will not be going through setups and anything like that. But first impressions right out the box, let me know what y'all think. I think it's gorgeous. Very great screen. Much brighter than last year's model. I think it goes up to, I don't know the nits. I don't know if it was 3,000 nits brightness or whatever this year, whatever. Way brighter. It's supposed to have some really good battery life, which the Pro Maxes are known for. Now, one of the reasons this went away was that battery life. But I've decided, we'll get into that, and I'll make a video. We'll get into that. But yeah, beautiful phone. Gorgeous, looks amazing. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the unboxing. Take a second to marvel at that beauty. It is gorgeous in hand. It's very beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful camera control button right here. Power button, volume rockers, silence and ring button. USB Type-C, got your speaker grills, top and bottom, microphones. Got your beautiful dynamic island. This is great. My wife is really gonna enjoy this phone. God bless, peace be unto you. I'm gonna get this set up for her. And yep, that's it. We'll talk to you on the next one where we uncover why this baby is back. We're gonna talk about this. All right, we are gonna talk about this. God bless, peace be unto you. I'm out. Peace.